Are you tired of working alone? Because maybe you need a friend with benefits. How is that? Is that okay? Okay, but not the dirty benefits you're thinking of. Okay, so give it to me again. Cool. Have you ever thought about getting a friend with benefits? Because let me tell you something. It's really not as complicated as people say it is. All you have to do is just refer your friend to MotionLab.Berlin, and when they sign up, you and that person get 30 euros off your membership. Are you interested? Come and talk to me or just come to the front desk to get more information. Stop hooking up with your friends for benefits and start using them to save money. That's so weird and funny. I like it, okay.